swaying on the cotton line, in a world that is remarkably and truly mine. I'm finding the treasure in a worn out shoe, and the morning that is starting remarkably new. Simple joys every day shining so bright, turning the middle of the day into light. It's a vintage devotion, the luster of soul, the little kind of magic that's making me whole. The smell of the bread is a